chickens are over at the barn. They've done been up here at the porch, but I hadn't put any food out yet because it's been raining. I guess they're curious about the tractor. Aren't they cute? What's that one? They're walking all around the barn. A couple of them are in it. They're so cute. Then there's more. I can hear them over there where they come from. They live over that way. And they just like to come visit. I think it's these same four all the time. There's one back there. I think it's on the mowing deck of the tractor. I think there's a couple of them on it. Let's see. I don't think I can show them. It's so dark back in there. But they're so cute. I just love these chickens. I came to put the peanuts out for the birds. I'm not going to put the seed cake out because it's raining and the water deteriorates it. But they have suet out at all times. Look at this thing, it just woke up. Oh goodness. Here's a seed cake. Guess I can make this a little bit smaller. Picked at Michael Fess's because I put a lot of peanuts out. And he said, we can't afford to feed every bird in Lee County. So I usually fill up that rail and this rail. So I'm just going to fill up this rail here. This side of the rail. There's where the seed cake goes. But it's raining, or rainy, so they won't get none today. And there's their little water I put out for them. There's Wednesday that just woke up. You want to say hi? Hi. Do you see the chickens? They're over in the barn. They've all gone in the barn now.
I see one that's white.
Yeah, there's the white one. I don't know if anybody can see it on the video or not. But the white one is on that side, and the other ones are around the tractor. And
Yeah.
the horses are
They're right there.
right there. You can't hardly see them for the trees now, so I'm waiting for the leaves to fall off the trees so I can enjoy the horses.
Honey, that's the hole in the tree.
Yeah.
That's where the leaves fall off, and now we can see the brown horses and the tail of the black and white horse.
Yeah. It won't be long till the leaves will fall off and we can see them all.
And there's our
And
four.
the chickens and roosters are still in the barn.
And let me tell you guys something.
Okay.
I had, last time when I was playing bubbles out here, I seen a spider. And come over here with me.
Look, there's a lot of spiders. Look at these webs.
I know.
They built webs, and
bugs.
you can see where the water's. I guess you can see it on the video. The water's been
dripping,
collecting on it.
And Mama?
But that's all right. We like spiders, don't we, Wednesday?
I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
You watch Lucas the Spider on YouTube.
Yeah, but I don't like real spiders in the house, but I like Lucas the spider on TV. But not like fake. Not like real spiders.
Well,
I like talking spiders, but not untalking spiders.
but they're good. They catch bugs for us.